How to use your corporation to fund your retirement. You've taken advantage of deferral. You've got significant assets sitting inside your corporation, earmarked for your retirement income planning. Once you retire, you now start to pay dividends from your corporation out to yourself to meet your personal income needs. You decide what size dividend that you pay based on your personal tax situation and what your income needs are. For any funds left within your corporation that aren't needed to fund your retirement income goal, they can be passed on through your estate in a very tax-efficient manner, realized as capital gains on the disposition of the shares. With a clear understanding of your personal goals, we can allocate the assets within your corporation into the proper investment mix to help you meet your financial goals. If you'd like to better understand how your corporate assets are going to fund your retirement income, reach out or book a time to meet through our website.